Think you're doing planks right? Here's the shocking truth. Over 80% of people who say they feel the burn in their abs are actually stressing their spine and neck instead. The plank is one of the simplest looking yet most commonly butchered exercises on earth. And if you're one of them, don't worry. By the end of this video, your form will be rock solid. Before we fix it, let's remind ourselves why we even do planks. Planks are the foundation of strength training, literally. They train your core, but not just your abs. We're talking the entire system that stabilizes your spine, your shoulders, your glutes, your back, your deep abdominal muscles. Think of your core like the foundation of a skyscraper. If the base is weak, it doesn't matter how tall or beautiful the building is, it's going to crumble. The plank builds that foundation, but only if done right. All right, let's talk about the biggest mistakes, the ones secretly holding you back. The sagging hips. Your hips drop, and suddenly your lower back is taking all the pressure. If your lower back ever hurts during a plank, this is why. The mountain peak. Hips too high? Now you've taken your abs out of the equation. You're basically doing an inverted V stretch, not a plank. The turtleneck. Head dropping forward, chin digging into your chest. You're compressing your spine instead of keeping it long. The shoulder shrug. If your shoulders are near your ears, you're letting your traps dominate. That tension builds fast and kills endurance. The breath holder. You hold your breath thinking it makes you tight, but it actually makes your body panic and lose control. Have you done one of these before? Be honest, one we all have, but that's okay. The fix is simpler than you think. Let's compare. When you drop your hips, your lower back collapses. When your butt's too high, your core disengages. When your shoulders shrug, your neck tightens. But when you align everything, like shoulders, hips, ankles, you feel stable. Your abs fire up. Your back feels safe. You're no longer hanging, you're controlling gravity. And that's the magic. A proper plank isn't passive, it's a full-body active hold. Ready to level up? Try these once you've mastered the basics. The pull tension trick. Imagine dragging your elbows toward your toes without moving. Your core will ignite instantly. The squeeze combo. Tighten your glutes and quads together. That's your stability lock. Breathing upgrade. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. And with every exhale, pull your ribs down slightly. That's how pros build rock-solid abs, from the inside out. I once trained a client who could hold a plank for 3 minutes, or so he thought. His hips sagged, shoulders cramped, and his back always hurt. We fixed his form, and on his first real plank, he could only last 25 seconds. But after 2 weeks, he hit a flawless minute, pain-free and stronger than ever. The moral? It's not about how long you can hold it. It's about how well you can hold it. All right, now it's your turn. Get down and test your form right now. Set your timer for just 30 seconds. But apply everything we talked about. Shoulders down and back. Core tucked. Glutes squeezed. Heels pushing back. Smooth breathing. Feel the difference? That's real control. If you do it right, you'll shake. But it's the good kind of shake. That's your body learning stability. So don't chase the clock, chase perfection. Do this daily for 1 minute, then 2, then 3. Not to prove endurance, but to build mastery. Remember, strength starts with awareness. And today, you didn't just learn how to do a plank. You learned how to own it. If you just fixed your plank, hit like and drop a jag in the comments. And for more form-fixing, science-backed tutorials, make sure you subscribe so you never miss a transformation.